You don't need to be at the gym, you don't need any equipment, no jumping, no gym. You can do it from your home with just using a mat. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Garima Barnolia and I'm an IFBB Figure Pro. So I heard that you want to grow your glutes, your booty with home workouts. Today's 20-minute booty workout is exactly what you need. No jumping, no gym, you just need a mat and you can do it anywhere. In this workout, we are going to target our gluteus maximus, which is the biggest muscle in your glutes, gluteus medius, which is the upper part of your glutes, and your hamstrings, so that you can have those lifted and peach-shaped glutes. So get your mat, your water bottle, and let's go. The first exercise is going to be glute donkey kicks. Start on all fours, hands directly under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Keep your core engaged. This is super important to avoid arching the lower back. Start with either leg and drive your heel up towards the ceiling, squeezing your glute at the top. Your knee should stay bent at 90 degrees and your foot should be flexed. Don't rush the movement and continuously think about your gluteus maximus so that you can have a mind muscle connection. You can also add a 2-second squeeze at the top. After 10 to 15 reps, switch sides, keep the form clean and stay in control. Next up, we are hitting those side glutes with fire hydrants. Start on all fours again. Wrists stacked under shoulders, knees under hips, and core tight. This move targets your gluteus medius, helping build rounder, fuller hips and better hip stability. Without leaning to the side, lift your right knee out to the side like you're opening a door with your leg. Stop when your thigh is parallel to the floor, then lower with control. Keep your foot flexed, do not swing it. Focus on that upper side glute. This is where you should feel the burn, not in your lower back. Lift only high as you can without tilting your pelvis. Quality is what we need. Do 15 reps each side, and that's how you sculpt the side booty and build real hip strength. I'm sure you already feel the burn. That means you are doing it absolutely right. Now we are moving into a serious glute builder that is called frog pumps. Lie down on your back, bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall open like butterfly wings. Heels should be close to your glutes. From here, drive through the sides of your feet and squeeze your glutes to lift your hips as high as you can. This move may look simple, but done right, it hits deep into your glutes. Keep your core tight to protect your lower back. Don't arch. At the top of the movement, squeeze your glutes hard and hold for a second if possible. That pause makes a huge difference. Focus on contracting your glutes at the top like you're pinching a coin between your butt cheeks. Yeah, that's right. Now we are stepping it up with single leg glute bridges where the real challenge starts. Plant your right foot firmly on the floor close to your glute. Now brace your core and press through your right heel to lift your hips up. Pause at the top and squeeze your right glute hard and then lower down slowly with control. This position opens up the hip and stretches the glute of the raised leg while forcing the working glute to activate more intensely. You will feel a deeper burn here, especially in the outer glutes and gluteus maximus. To keep your body stable, press your arms gently into the floor. This will help you keep a fixed posture. After 15 repetitions, switch legs. Now plant the left foot and cross the right ankle over it. Perform 15 controlled repetitions from this leg as well and squeeze at the top. Now we are moving on to the classic glute bridges with body weight. Lie down on your back, knees should be bent, feet should be flat on the floor and hip width apart. Your arms should rest by your sides for the support. Now engage your core and press through your heels to lift your hips towards the ceiling. At the top, squeeze your glutes and hold for a second, then lower down slowly with control. In this movement, your body should form a straight line from shoulders to knees at the top. Avoid pushing from your lower back. Keep your ribs down and core tight so that your glutes are doing all the lifting. Entire time, think about your glutes. Imagine pressing the floor away from your heels and squeezing your glutes as if you're pinching something between the butt cheeks. Next, we are moving into a functional movement which is reverse lunges. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart and brace your core. Step your right leg back, lowering your right knee towards the floor. Your front knee should stay over your ankle, not past your toes. Now press through your front heel to come back up to standing. That's one rep. Keep your chest lifted and your core engaged the entire time. Your back leg is just there for the support. All the power should come from the front glute and heel. Every time you push back up, think about your glute firing to bring you up, not your quad or your knees. After 15 reps, switch legs. Now your left leg steps back, same control and same focus. Next, we are moving on to classic bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet slightly wider than hip width. toes should be pointing out just a little bit. Keep your chest lifted and your core braced. When you're going down, breathe in, and when you stand back up, breathe out. Go as low as your mobility allows, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the ground, then drive through your heels to stand back up. Keep the weight in your heels, not your toes. This activates your glutes much more effectively. Every time you stand back up, think about squeezing your glutes at the top. Now we are isolating one side of the glutes and hamstrings with staggered stance RDLs, also known as kickstand RDLs. Stand tall and place your right foot slightly behind you, toes down and heel lifted like a kickstand. Your left leg is the working leg. From here, hinge at the hips by pushing your hips back and lower your torso forward with a flat back. Keep a slight bend in your front knee. Lower until you feel a stretch in your hamstring, then press through your left heel to come back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. Don't round your back, keep your spine long and chest open. This back leg is just for balance. Keep about 90% of the weight in your front heel. After 15 repetitions, switch sides, left foot back and right leg would be working. Keep the movement slow and controlled. This exercise targets your glutes and hamstrings one side at a time, allowing you to really feel the burn and correcting any imbalances. Now let's move on to hip abductions, which targets the gluteus medius, that side booty muscle that shapes your hips and keeps your pelvis strong. Lift with control, stop just before your hips tilt, then lower back down slowly. Do 15 reps on each side with controlled movement. Now let's finish this workout strong with standing glute kickbacks. You can take support from a wall for balance. Shift your entire body weight onto your left leg, keeping a soft bend in the knee. Now extend your right leg straight back, keeping your toes pointing down and your glute fully engaged. Lift your leg just a few inches off the floor, squeeze your glutes at the top and return with control. Keep your upper body still, don't arch or swing your leg. After doing 15 reps, let's switch sides, same control, same squeeze. That is your last set, so let's make it count. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this workout and felt in your glutes. Now remember, this workout can help you strengthen and give a proper shape to your glutes, but we are doing this workout at home without any dumbbells or barbells, so there is a limit to how much your glute muscles can grow without much resistance. So that's all for today's video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this workout. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit like, share it with your friends so that you can work out together. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss out on any of my videos. I will see you in the next video, and as always, I love you all and you're stronger than you think.